Google TV Streamer now supports manual audio output format selection. Google has rolled out a significant update for the Google TV Streamer just 2 months after its launch, allowing users to manually select audio output formats, including Dolby formats. This new update adds an output format section under the Audio Options menu, allowing users to choose from Dolby Digital Plus, Dolby Digital, or Plus Code M Modulation Stereo. Previously, these audio options were unavailable and the device defaulted to automatic audio output. This new feature lets users customize their audio experience to match with hardware accurately. While the automatic setting is still the default, users now have the option to switch easily between the aforementioned formats to enhance sound quality. However, despite user requests for audio pass-through support, which is available on the Chromecast with Google TV, the Google TV Streamer doesn't yet offer pass-through. Instead, the device passes audio to your speakers as PCM, which serves as an alternative to the pass-through feature commonly used in home theater setups for an acoustic experience. The update has rolled out to users and is expected to be followed by further updates in the near future, continuing to improve the functionality and adaptability of the Google TV Streamer.